ice. You're in wave. Kevin. What's my phone number?
725
5230. 5230. Yep. Alright, thank you. You alright, Jordan?
Oh, we didn't break nothing either. That's the overflow running out of there.
Yeah, that don't hurt none.
It blew the plow right off from that.
By the time I figured out what the hell was going on, I was on top of the fucking thing throwing me around.
I don't mean to. He's taking pictures of us.
Yeah, buddy.
I'll fix my oil leak right now.
That was funny shit, man. Damn. Jacked.
This thing's happened, but
This takes cake.
you know what? This road's just going to start getting softer now because it's starting to warm up. Would Crowley walk up here and see that? He was standing at the end of the driveway.